Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi problems on Android devices. If you are facing issues with Wi-Fi connectivity on your Android device, here are some steps to help troubleshoot and fix the problem. First, you can restart your device. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on, and then restart your device to refresh all network settings. So you can just turn it on and off just like this and then restart your device. Step 2 is you can just forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi networks. You can go to the settings and find the network and internet options. Choose on Wi-Fi in here. Tap on the Wi-Fi network causing issues and select forget. This one, you can see, you can just long press on it and then just tap on forget. And after that, you can try to reconnect again, re-enter the password and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. And the next thing that you can do is reset the network settings. You can go to all settings and find the system option, this one, find reset option, and in here choose to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. This will reset your network settings, clearing safe Wi-Fi networks and passwords. And the next step, you can also turn the airplane mode on or off. You can swipe down from the top of your screen and enable the airplane mode, and after that you can just wait for a few seconds and turn the airplane mode off again to refresh the Wi-Fi connection. Next, you can also check the router settings. You can turn off your router, wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back on. You can also try to change the Wi-Fi channel. Log into your router's admin page and try switching to a different Wi-Fi channel. Routers sometimes interfere with each other on the same channel. Next, you need to update your device software. So you can just go to the settings and find the software update. This one's right here, or system update. Ensure your Android device has the latest software version installed, because updates often contain fixes for network-related issues. You can also check for IP conflicts. You can go to settings again and then find Wi-Fi or internet. Find the IP settings under the network in here. And you can use a unique IP address, subnet mask, and gateway provided by your router. Next, you can also disable the power saving mode. You can go to settings and find the battery settings in here, this one. Turn off a power saving mode. This you guys can see here, the battery saver is already off on my phone because it may restrict a network connection. You can also remove network restrictions if you are using VPN. So you can check for any restriction causing connectivity issues and you can just disable or configure VPN settings properly. And the last one, you can check for interference. You can move closer to the router. Wi-Fi signals weaken over distance. You can try moving closer to the router. And interference of you can remove the obstacles. You can interference from walls, microwaves, or other electronics can weaken the signals. You can just remove the obstacles. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.